got the bus to myself, so I'm effectively getting a taxi through this sort of scenery. Liechtenstein. Literally got the whole bus to myself. Liechtenstein. And a long climb up here to get to that up there. So let's go for it slowly because it's windy. Well, okay, I don't know what this little area is. I'm in like a forest on some side of a hill. There's the road there. In Liechtenstein, near Vaduz. So, I don't know what that's, some sort of door. There's no one here. But in there it's got like some sort of machinery and whatnot. I don't know what's in there really. It's... I'm trying to fucking... yeah, you can't really see it. There's like a bench in there, almost like radiators, but you can see that bit there quite clearly. Well, got myself a little packed lunch from the co-op. Bottle of Coke. I tell you what, I'm gonna have to get another one when I go back down, or beer. I might go and get a pint actually. I had a can on the way up here. Bottle of Coke. It's a long fucking staircase down, so once I've had this sandwich, we'll start heading back down to the town again. The city, well, whatever you call it, the capital. Smallest capital for a country I've ever been to in my life. It's the smallest country I've ever been to in my life, Liechtenstein. It's an interesting place, but very windy today. Seen the outside of the castle, but I'm not so sure I can go in. I might just... yeah. So, car coming up now. But there's no crash barriers, so when these roads ice over, this is why I was a bit thingy this morning when it's quite icy. This is what the roads are like in Switzerland. Some of them are really narrow and you've got these huge fucking drops. And obviously, yeah, there's not even any crash barriers. It's not the best. And believe you me, it's steeper than what it looks on camera. You know, I was up here before watching two red aeroplanes. I was higher up than what the aeroplanes were. They were below me.